Hi guys, good evening.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am.
So how are you all?
Fine, ma'am.
Did you check out the notes and the assignment which is uploaded?
Yes.
Any problem with downloading the files?
No, ma'am.
Okay, you know right when to submit your assignment?
Ma'am, by tomorrow?
Everyone have to submit it by tomorrow. If you submit later, I will not accept it. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
everyone is clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Harshit, did you get to know about the notes and the assignment? Did you check them?
Yes, ma'am.
You have to talk louder, Harshit.
Ma'am, when should I send, ma'am?
I can't hear you, Harshit.
When should I send, ma'am?
You have to submit it by tomorrow, Wednesday.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Did everyone send me your homework? You people are sending it now. I gave 3 questions for the homework, right?
No, 4.
3 or 4?
Ma'am,
4.
Actually 3. The other one was like where we were doing in the class. That one, right? We didn't complete.
No, ma'am. 4.
4 questions.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, it's in the group, ma'am. Screenshot.
Wait, let me check. Oh, yes. Okay. 4 questions. Puneet, you did only one?
Yes, ma'am.
Why? What about the other? What's problem with the other questions?
Ma'am, my answers are wrong.
What?
Ma'am, my answers are wrong.
So what? You would have sent that only, no? Whether you have got right answers or wrong answers, I don't want that. I want whether you have done it or not. That's all.
What
And
I could,
listen, everyone. I want your homework. Like if the class is at 5:30, let's say, okay, I want it by 5 o'clock. Even if it is 7:30, it's okay. All the homework should be submitted before 5 o'clock. Current. Got it. It's not that now in the class and you can't send me the homework now.
Okay, ma'am.
I don't like ಅಪ್ಪನ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಮ್ಮನ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಇಂಟರ್ನೆಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ವೈಫೈ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ನಂಗೆ ರೀಸನ್ಸ್ ಬೇಡ ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ವಾಂಟ್ ಎನಿ ರೀಸನ್ಸ್ ಆ ಥರ ಏನಾದರೂ ಇದ್ರೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಕ್ಯೂಸಸ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಒಂದಿನ ಮುಂಚೆನೆ ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸೆಂಡ್ ಮಿ ದ ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್ a day before. It's okay. All the homeworks should be submitted before 5 o'clock. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Harshit, did you check out what was done in the last class?
no, ma'am.
Why?
Ma'am, I was in that.
Friends number illa okay, at least you would have asked me, no ma'am, previous class alli ಯಾವ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ ಅಂತ.
Okay, ma'am. From next I'll do it, ma'am.
ತಲೆನೋವು
From
ಇನ್ನ ಅವತ್ತಿಂದ ತಲೆನೋವು ಹಂಗೆ ಇತ್ತಾ? ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಕ್ಲಾಸಿಗೆ ಬರೋವರೆಗೂ ತಲೆನೋವು ಇನ್ನ ಹಂಗೆ ಇತ್ತಾ?
Ma'am? No, ma'am.
ಇಫ್ ಆಬ್ಸೆಂಟ್ ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಆದ್ರೆ ಕ್ಲಾಸಿಗೆ ಅಟ್ ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳೋ ಅಂತ ಒಂದ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ರೆಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸಿಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಇರ್ಬೇಕು. ದಟ್ಸ್ ಅ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ರೆಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸಿಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಅ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಅಟ್ ಲೀಸ್ಟ್.
Okay.
I shouldn't say all these things. You should do it by all yourself. You see, you sent me the homework, right? Okay, I'll just tell you how to do. Puneet, from next time, like not only for Puneet, for everyone, ನೀವು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಬಂತು ಅದು ನನಗೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ನೀವು ಎಲ್ಲ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ಸ್ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಗಾಟ್ ಇಟ್?
Yes.
Did you understand? Translate ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾ? Do you want to translate it to English or did
No, ma'am.
everyone understand?
Ma'am, we understood.
Okay. Puneet, you said you didn't understand, right?
No, ma'am. Answers are wrong.
Yeah.
Ma'am, my answers were wrong.
What was the first question?
Minus 4 by x plus 3 by y is equal to minus 1. And 5x by x plus 2 by y is equal to 2.
So you will take, you can write this as minus 4 into 1 by x plus 3 into 1 by y is equal to minus 1. 5 into 1 by x plus 2 into 1 by y is equal to 2. Okay. So 1 by x, I can write this as a, 1 by y as b. So I'll get minus 4a plus 3b is equal to minus 1. 5a plus 2b is equal to 2. Okay. So I'll just multiply this with 2 and equation 2 with 3. So that would be minus 8a plus 6b minus equal to minus 2. 15a plus 6b is equal to 6. So subtract, change the signs. Minus 8, minus 15. Minus 8 and minus 15.
Minus 23.
Minus 23a plus 6b and minus 6b is cancelled. So that is equal to minus 2 and minus 6 is
Minus 8.
minus 8. Pawan, you have made a mistake here. Check. Minus 2 and minus 6, you have written it as 7, I guess.
Yes, ma'am.
That is not right. Check it out properly. A is equal to, so this minus and minus is cancelled, 8 by 23. Okay. So substitute the value of A. I'll take equation 2. 5a plus 2b is equal to 2. 5 into 8 by 23 plus 2b is equal to 2. 8 5s are 40 by 23 plus 2b equal to 2. 2b is equal to 2 minus 40 by 23. Take the LCM. 23 is the LCM. 6, 7, 4 minus 40. 2b is equal to 6 by 23. 2 1s are 2, 3s are. b is equal to 3 by 23. We got the values of a and b. Get the values of x and y. So a is equal to 1 by x. A is 8 by 23. So that's equal to 1 by x. X is equal to 23 by 8. So the same way, b is equal to 1 by y. Value of b is 3 by 23 is equal to 1 by y. Y is equal to 23 by 3. Got it? If you have not done, at least write it down, and if you have made any mistakes, correct it. If you have got the right answer, well and good. You are getting wrong answers because you people are not practicing at all. ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಏನೋ ತಲೆ ತಿಂತಾರೆ, ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೊಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ, ಏನೂ ಇಲ್ಲ. ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಯು ಪೀಪಲ್ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಗೆಟ್ ದ ರೈಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ಕ್ಲಾಸಿಗೆ ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ಕ್ಲಾಸಿಗೆ ಸೇರಿಸಲ್ಲ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ಇಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಕಳಿಸೋದು ಫೋಟೋ ತೆಗೆದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು. ಐ ನೋ ಯು ಪೀಪಲ್ ಆರ್ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್ ದಿಸ್. ಇಲ್ಲ ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಿರಲ್ಲ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ಡೌಟ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋದು. I know you all these tricks because even I have done it when I was a kid, when I was a student. So don't try to play these tricks with me. I have done all this and that's why I'm here now. Okay, now. ನೀವು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋಕ್ಕಿಂತ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಅಪ್ಪನ ತರ ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಕೂಡ ಎಲ್ಲ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಮ್ಮ ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಜೊತೆ I've done all that and I'm here now. So please don't try to fool me with your stupid tricks, okay? Because I've done it all earlier. What, Puneet? Laughing? You have done the same thing, right? I know.
No.
Yes, I know. That's the truth. I know. When my teacher used to ask me this, even I used to say, no, ma'am, no. Done with this? Harshit, writing?
Yes, ma'am. 1 minute.
Did you understand this?
Yes, ma'am.
If you don't understand, ask me again. ಈ ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. I'm doing this topic again.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So if you're not done, or Arpita, if you don't understand, ask me. Okay, because you have not attended last class, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So if you have any doubts or if you don't understand any of the steps, you can ask me.
Okay, ma'am.
Done? Everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Finish writing?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Second one. What was the second question?
3 by x minus 2 by y is equal to 5.
Is equal to
5
5. Okay.
minus 1 by x
Okay.
plus 2 by y is equal to 4.
Equal to 4. Huh? Okay. Now, okay. I'm not going to solve this. You people will tell me the steps. Okay. First step, Puneet. Every step, each and everyone will tell me, like one step. Okay.
We have to multiply 3 multiplied by 1 by x
Okay.
minus 2 multiplied by 1 by y
Okay.
is equal to 5.
Next.
Minus 1 multiplied by 1 by x plus 2 multiplied by 1 by 2 is equal to 4.
Next.
3x minus 2y is equal to
You're taking x again. Don't use the same variables. ಇಲ್ಲಿ x and y ಇದ್ರೆ use x and y ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇನ್ನ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 24 alphabets ಇದೆ. Use the alphabets which are not given in this equation. Don't use x because you're replacing 1 by x with some other variable. So don't use x there again.
3a.
I'll use p. P for Puneet. 1 by y is equal to tell me.
Minus 2q.
How do I replace 1 by y with?
Q.
It is q. So I'll have next. Rewrite the equations.
Minus 1p.
Tell me
No,
the
ma'am.
first equation, Puneet.
3p and
3p.
minus 2y.
Louder.
Minus 2q
Okay.
is equal to minus 5.
Equal to
Minus 5.
y minus 5. Ill plus 5 ಇದೆ. Next step ಅಲ್ಲಿ minus 5 ಆಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ.
5.
This is where you people go wrong. Question ತಪ್ಪಾಗಿ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? Next.
1p.
1 or minus 1?
minus 1
Hmm.
plus 2q.
Minus 1 what?
P plus 2q
Okay.
is equal to 5.
Equal to?
4.
Hmm. Okay. Harshit,
Yes, ma'am.
next step.
Ma'am, we will cancel 3p minus 1p. No, ma'am. We will
How will you cancel 3 p?
no, ma'am. We'll cancel 2q and minus 2 plus and minus 2q, ma'am.
Very good. Okay. Next.
Then it will that 3 minus 1p is equal 2p, ma'am.
Okay.
2p is equal to 9.
Okay.
So p is equal to 9 by 2.
Mhm. Very good.
Uh,
Next. Yes, continue, Harshit.
Ma'am,
Continue. Tell me the next step.
ma'am. After that, ma'am, I'm not getting again.
After this, what will you do?
Uh,
Substitute this value of p in any one of these two equations.
3p minus 2p is equal to 5. Then, ma'am, after that,
Substitute p.
p is equal to no, ma'am, 3 by 29 by 2 minus 2 by 9 by 2, ma'am.
You have to substitute only p, Harshit. Q value bandidya. You don't know what is q. Substitute only p because you got the value of only p here. So in place of p, you'll write 9 by 2.
Yes, ma'am.
Understood? So 2q is equal to 5. Then simplify. Next step.
Ma'am,
3 into 9 by 2 is
27 by 4.
27 by 2. 4 ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬರುತ್ತೆ?
Oh, sorry, ma'am.
27 by 2 minus 2q is equal to 5.
Ma'am,
Then
27 is equal to. Okay.
Prajwal, what's your problem? Class ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು? Prajwal. Hello. Yes, Harshit, tell me next step.
Ma'am, should we cancel 2 and minus 2? Okay.
How will you cancel? Huh?
Okay,
What?
ma'am.
You want the
How-
value of 2.
well-
You want the
Yes.
value of q, right? So send it to other side and shift this 5 to this side. 27 by 2 minus 5 is equal to 2q.
Ma'am,
Simplify. 27 by 2 minus 5. ಹೆಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? Fractions.
Ma'am, it will be 25.5, ma'am. 25.5 is equal to 2q.
How is the 25.5? Tell me.
Ma'am, 2 ones are 2 and 2 5s are 2.5, ma'am. 27 minus 2.5 is equal to 25.5.
2.5 ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬಂತು?
Ma'am, 2 minus 2, 5 is equal to 2.5, no, ma'am.
Harshit, here you have 27 by 2 and that's a fraction. And here you have 5 by 1. When you have different denominators, 27 by 2 minus 5 by 1. How do you subtract this fractions with different denominators? Take the LCM of the denominator.
2 and 1. 1. 1.
This is gonna be really difficult. I can't teach you fraction subtraction now. Subtraction of fractions here. The people are in 10th standard, guys. In addition, subtraction ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಂಡು ಕೊಡಕ್ಕಾಗುತ್ತಾ? Take the LCM of the denominator. So the LCM will be denominator will be 2. So multiply this LCM to both the fractions. So 2 and 2 is cancelled. So left out with 27 minus 5 2s are 10. So your 27 minus 10 is 17 by 2. So this is the answer you get. 17 by 2 is equal to 2Q. Q is equal to 17 divided by 2 into 2. Q is equal to 17 by 4. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Next, find the value of x and y. P is equal to 1 by x, which is 9 by 2 is equal to 1 by x. X is equal to 2 by 9. So Q is equal to 1 by y. 1 by y is equal to 17 by 4. Y is equal to 4 by 17. Who got the right answer? Inchara?
It was wrong. I was corrected now.
Karan?
Ma'am, I got 10 by 3. I have corrected it.
Pavan?
Ma'am, I got. One second, ma'am. Ma'am, I got 1, ma'am. So I corrected it.
Vritti?
I got the wrong answer.
ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಡಿ. Who has given me the right answer until now? Any one of you? Any of the homeworks? Huh? Done with this? Harshit, did you understand how to add or subtract fractions?
Yes, ma'am. Understood, sir.
Prajwal, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
ಎಲ್ಲೋಗ್ತಿಯಪ್ಪ ಇದು ಕ್ಲಾಸು ಒಂದ್ಸರಿ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಇರ್ಬೇಕು ಮುಗಿಯೋವರೆಗೂ. ಹೋಗಿ ಬಂದು ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಿದೆ ನಿಮ್ ಅತ್ತೆ ಮನೆನ. ಹಾ
My lunch is breaking.
What's wrong with this with you? What's wrong? Huh? Call me after the class, Prajwal.
Okay.
Got it? You have to call me after the class. Class exact ಆಗಿ 8:30 ಮುಗಿಯುತ್ತೆ. 8:31 ಗೆ ನಂಗೆ ನಿಮ್ ಕಾಲ್ ಬರ್ಬೇಕು, ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ?
Okay.
If you call me at 8:32, I will not receive your call. Exactly at 8:31. Next, question number 3. Yes, next question.
2 by x plus 3 by y is equal to 7.
Is equal to 7. Next, 5 by x.
Minus 4 by y is equal to minus 2.
Prajwal, tell me the steps what to do.
Now first we should assume that x is equals to any variable. A x is equals to
Do you assume x as any other variable?
yes, ma'am.
First, rewrite the equations. How do you rewrite it?
2 into 1 by x plus 3 into 1 by 3 by 3 into 1 by y is equals to 7.
Talk louder.
Is equals to 7.
ಕಿವಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇದೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ. You have to talk louder.
Is equals to 7.
Next.
5 into 1 by x
Okay.
plus 4 into 1 by
Plus
y
minus
minus
ಅಲ್ಲಿರೋದನ್ನ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೇಳಕ್ಕೂ ತಪ್ಪು ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಲ್ಲ. 4 into
1 by y
Hmm.
equals to minus 2.
Next.
Next, we should assume a x is equals to a.
ಜೋರಾಗಿ ಮಾತಾಡೋ ಮಾರಾಯ.
I should assume x is equals to a, ma'am.
X is equal to a na, or 1 by x is equal to a.
1 by x.
Tell me properly. Whatever you're telling me, tell me properly.
1 by x is equals to a, ma'am.
Huh.
And 1 by y is equals to b, ma'am.
Okay. Next.
Then 2a plus 3b is equals to 7.
Okay.
5a minus 4b is equals to minus 2.
Next.
Into 5 and into 2.
Into
First variable we should multiply into 5 and second variable we should multiply with 5.
okay.
5 to the 10a plus 15b is equals to 35.
Is equal to
35.
next.
10a minus 8b is equals to minus 4. 10a gets cancelled.
10
10a and 10a will get cancelled, ma'am.
10 ಹೆಂಗ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ?
Ma'am, because they are same variable and constant.
ಸೇಮ್ ಸೈನ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ?
No, we should change the sign.
Huh?
We should change the sign.
Change the sign first. You're subtracting. How do I change?
Plus is there, we should put minus.
For this, minus 8b.
Plus, ma'am.
Next. Here.
Plus.
Inchara, can you continue? I can't hear you, Inchara. I can't. Unmute yourself. Unmute.
Plus 10a and minus 10a gets cancelled, ma'am.
Okay.
And 20 plus 15 plus it gets 23b.
Okay.
And plus 35 and plus 4 gets plus 39.
B is equal to
B equals 39 by 23.
Arpita. Continue.
Ma'am, B value is
B value is 39 by 23.
yes, ma'am. And we should find out A value in by substituting one first equation.
Okay. Tell me what to write.
2a plus 3 39 by 23
Okay.
and is equal to 7. 2a plus
39 into 3. Multiply and tell me. You can calculate.
and 117.
Okay. 117 by 23 is
23 is equal to 7. 7 is equal to 117 minus 2a.
How is it?
Ma'am, we'll bring
You want 2a, right?
yes, ma'am.
So keep that 2a and
No,
shift
2a plus 7 divided by.
don't do that. Don't do like that. See, ಇವಾಗ ನಿಮಗೆ variable value ಬೇಕು ತಾನೆ? You want the value of a. So you keep that a. See, this is an equal to symbol. You want the
Yes.
value of A. And anything which is associated with A or connected to A, that is 2. Keep whatever the thing which is associated with A on one side, and all other you can shift it to the other side. So 117 by 3, it is just a number. We don't have any variable. It is just a number, correct? So shift all the numbers on one side and all the variables on the other side. You have to separate them. Filter madbidi. And how do you filter it? Just by transferring it, shifting it to either left or right to the equation. Understood? You have to keep all the variables on one side and all the numbers on the other side. This is how you do it.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
still here I want the value of A, which means 2A, correct? So this is just a number. I don't want this number. So I'll shift it to the right side. So now I'll have 2A is equal to 7. This plus 117 by 23, if I shift, I'll have minus 117 by 23. Plus it, if I shift onto the other side, minus over there. Now we can see, here you have only variables and this side you have only numbers.
Yes,
Correct?
ma'am.
This is how you have to separate the variables and the numbers first. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Next, simplify.
110 by 23.
How is it 110? LCM is 2.
23, ma'am.
Huh.
7 minus 117 is equal to 110 by 23.
Like how is it how do you get 110? I want to know that.
By minus, ma'am, we have to subtract.
What numbers you will subtract?
7 minus 117.
Is that the way you do? ಇವಾಗ ತಾನೇ ಹರ್ಷಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಟ್ಟೆ ತಾನೆ ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಂತ.
117 plus 7.
Wait. If I'm talking to someone, don't interrupt. Answer only when you're asked.
Okay, ma'am.
117 minus 7.
See, whenever you are everyone look at the board. ಯಾರಿಗಾದ್ರೂ ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತಿದೀನಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ನ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ನಿಮ್ ಪಾಡಿಗೆ ನೀವು ಏನೇನೋ ಕೆಲಸಗಳು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದಲ್ಲ. When you take the LCM, multiply this LCM to both the fractions. So 23 is the LCM now. So multiply 23 to 7 and as well as the second fraction. Okay. So 23 into 7 is you get 161.
161.
Okay. And in the second fraction, this 23 and this 23 is cancelled. So it will be left out with 117. So 161 minus 117 is 44 by 23. Understood? This is how you take the LCM. Clear with this, Arpita?
Yes, ma'am.
ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸರಿ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕಾ? Do you have any doubts? Do you want me to repeat again?
No, ma'am.
So next, ivaga you can see you have 2A here is equal to 42 by 23. But I don't want 2A. I just want only A. Correct? I don't want this 2. So shift this 2 to the denominator. So I'll have A is equal to 44 by 23 into 2. I don't want 2. Correct? Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
So 2 ones are 2 11s are. So A is equal to 11 by 23. Got it, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
So now, next, continue.
And that's 22.
22.
Correct again.
Oh, okay, fine. 22. 22 by 23. Yes. Next, Arpita, what's the next step?
Ma'am, we have to substitute in first equation
Y?
for finding x and y.
Which is the first equation?
2a plus 3b is equal to 7.
Why will you substitute there? ಆ equation ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ a value ಇದೆ, b value ಇದೆ. You don't get anything there. How do you get the values of x and y with these two equations? How do you get it? Huh? What do you find? Like, can you find anything here which can relate x and a? See, here you have got two equations. No? Can you see?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it? Tell me.
1 by x is equal to a.
You have got 1 by x as a.
A.
You know the value of a.
Yes,
Correct.
ma'am.
So you can get the value of x now. So what is the value of a?
22 by 23.
22 by 23 is equal to 1 by x. Correct.
Yes, ma'am.
So to find x, what do you do?
We have to do the division.
How?
22 divided by 23.
Why do you want to do division? See, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 by x ಇದೆ. ನನಗೆ x ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಲಿ? ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ x ಬರಲ್ವಾ?
Yes, ma'am.
If you take reciprocate, if you reciprocate this fraction, do you get 1? I mean, do you get x here?
Yes, ma'am.
So if you reciprocate on the left side or the right side, do it on the other side also. ಒಂದು ಕಡೆ ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕಡೆನೂ ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಮಾಡಿ fractions ನ. So here I'm reversing this x. So here also I should reverse this fraction. If I reverse it, what I'll get?
23
That 23
by 22.
You have to reverse both numerator and denominator, Arpita.
Yes, ma'am.
Got it? Now tell me, how do you find the value of b? Tell me.
1 by y is equal to b.
Yeah.
B value, no. B value is 39 by 23 is equal to 1 by y. We have to reciprocal 23 by 39 is equal to y by s, ma'am.
Okay, that's it. This is the answer. Everyone clear with this?
Yes, ma'am.
Puneet,
Yes, ma'am.
Inchara, the ones who have got, like, if your answers are wrong,
Yes.
make a note. Puneet, Pavan, Harshit,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Karan. Okay? One more question is left, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
We'll do it later after the break. Take a break, 5 minutes, come back. Be on time, okay? 5 minutes.